Vasuli Gate accused and former Maharashtra Home Minister's big claim, saying, I was asked to frame Uddhav Thackeray and I was asked by Devendra Fadnavis on that to topple the Uddhav Thackeray government. Fadnavis had constantly tried and also asked me to then frame him. Let's listen in to what Anil Deshmukh has said.
3 साल पहले देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने मुझे उद्धव ठाकरे के ऊपर झूठे आरोप करने के लिए लगाया था। आदित्य ठाकरे, अजीत पवार और अनिल परब, इनके खिलाफ में आप एफिडेविट हमको करके दो, लिख के लाया था। उन्होंने लिख के एक आदमी के जरिए उसे भेजा था कि ये एफिडेविट आप इनके ऊपर आरोप आप लगाइए, इसका एफिडेविट करके दीजिए। 3 साल पहले जो एफिडेविट करने को मैंने इनकार किया, उसके वजह से उन्होंने मेरे पीछे ईडी सीबीआई लगा कि मुझे जेल में डाला।
So they're basically trading charges over allegations allegations and bribery issues. Basically, Deshmukh has confirmed that there were about 3 years ago, a close associate of Devendra Fadnavis offered him to make allegations against Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, Ajit Pawar, Anil Parab in a false case and frame them. And that's the big charge has come. Mahesh Tapse is joining me right now, NCP spokesperson. Mr. Tapse, good morning. You tell me, because of course Devendra Fadnavis has refuted all the charges, but how should Anil Deshmukh's allegations that he was asked to frame should be taken?
Anil Deshmukh is a very senior leader of the NCP. He is a former Home Minister of India and former Home Minister of the Maharashtra state. And he is the main victim of the entire allegation, which was totally baseless and just out of the whims and fancies of an officer. So if Anil Deshmukh has made an allegation, it should be taken seriously. It should be placed on record. And facts should come out why this kind of allegation Anil Deshmukh ji has made. Because it's a very serious allegation, and if he has pressurized into taking names which would bring down the government and have serious political implications, then I think it needs to be investigated.
Mr. Tapse, but of course, while Devendra Fadnavis has refuted it, the question will be, it's a charge right now. Do you think there should be some evidence that should be put in the domain? Because otherwise it's about he said, who said, and then there wouldn't be evidence. The fact is the MLAs also jumped ship willingly.
I want to ask, what is the evidence that Mr. Paramveer Singh had when he just made a baseless allegations against Anil Deshmukh? At that point, Paramveer made an allegation and Deshmukh had to undergo a 14-month imprisonment based on that allegation, which has no substance today. And Paramveer Singh also testified before the commission that he is solely hearsay. There is no evidence against it.
All right, interesting. I appreciate you joining us, Mahesh Tapse. So clearly it's become a big showdown. Let's listen in now to what Devendra Fadnavis also had said, because he's refuting the charges, and why Anil Deshmukh and Devendra Fadnavis are currently caught in this showdown.
सिस्टीम मध्ये अलीकडच्या काळात सुपारीबाज लोक घुसलेले आहेत, सुपारी घेऊन बोलणारे लोक घुसलेले आहेत. दुर्दैवाने त्यांच्या नादी श्याम मानव लागले का, असा प्रश्न मला पडतो. पण एक गोष्ट मला स्पष्टपणे सांगायची आहे की या ठिकाणी अनिल देशमुख यांच्यावर आरोप लागल्यानंतर आमचं सरकार नव्हतं, महाविकास आघाडीचं सरकार होतं. ती केस मुंबई हायकोर्टाच्या चीफ जस्टिस समोर लागली आणि मुंबई हायकोर्टाच्या चीफ जस्टिस यांनी अनिल देशमुख यांच्या विरुद्ध एफआयआर करायला लावला. त्यांच्या सरकारमध्ये तो एफआयआर झाला. त्यानंतर ते जेलमध्ये गेले आणि ते आता बेलवर बाहेर आहे. त्यांचे काही ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल हे मला आणून दिलेले आहेत. त्यामध्ये ते उद्धव ठाकरेंबद्दल काय बोलतायत, ते पवार साहेबांबद्दल काय बोलतायत, या संपूर्ण जे आरोप आज आमच्यावर लावतायत त्या संदर्भात ते काय बोलतायत, वाझेवर ते काय बोलतायत, या सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत. माझ्यावर वेळ आली तर मला त्या पब्लिक कराव्या लागतील. मी अशा प्रकारचं राजकारण करत नाही. पण रोज जर कोणी खोटं बोलून या ठिकाणी नरेटिव्ह सेट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असेल तर त्यांनी एवढं लक्षात ठेवावं, देवेंद्र फडणवीस पुराव्याशिवाय कधीच बोलत नाही.
Joining me on the phone line is BJP's Ram Kadam for the latest on this. Mr. Ram Kadam, good morning. What should one make of Anil Deshmukh's statement? Because he's got support from Mahesh Tapse also now, saying that these allegations deserve at least to be taken consideration of. Go ahead, Mr. Kadam.
See, the first point is why Anil Deshmukh was quiet for so long time. When the Vidhan Sabha elections, assembly elections are going to take place, see the timing. He just wanted to create some fake narrative. And that is the reason why he has been indulging into this. The fact is, look who is talking. The person who was in the jail. The person, there are several serious allegations against him. So, Devendra Fadnavis ji told very clearly he has all the audio, video proofs.
Okay.
And when the time comes, he will reveal all those things. But whatever Mr. Anil Deshmukh is saying is not true. He's just trying to hog limelight, and he's just, trying to set fake narrative. He's just trying to defend Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, nothing else.
All right, let's hope that either side brings out strong evidence, because otherwise it just charges against one another, and another not looking good at all. Mr. Ram Kadam, thank you very much for speaking to India Today.